Hello everybody. Welcome to No1doctor channel. Today we will talk about one of the famous doctors, Thomas Addison. From 1795 to 1860. Addison's disease of the adrenal glands, Addisonian, pernicious anemia. Thomas Addison was born in 1795 in a village 8 miles from Carlisle, where his father was a grocer. In 1812 he became a medical student in Edinburgh. He graduated in 1815 with a thesis in Latin, entitled On Syphilis and Mercury. He moved to London, worked as physician at the General Dispensary, obtained his LRCP and, in 1824, was appointed assistant physician at Guy's Hospital. His contemporary and colleague was Richard Bright of Bright's disease of the kidney. In 1827, Addison was appointed lecturer in Mathematica and in 1837 became full physician as well as lecturer in medicine, jointly with Richard Bright. In 1839 they co-authored Elements of Practical Medicine, in which we find the first clinical and autopsy account of acute appendicitis. In 1855 Addison published a slim volume, of only 39 pages, entitled On the Constitutional and Local Effects of Disease of the Suprarenal Capsules, which can be regarded as the beginning of the study of the endocrine system. He describes a small series of 4 undoubted and 6 less certain examples of suprarenal disease, in those days commonly tuberculous, with their post-mortem findings. In the same monograph, he describes cases of idiopathic anemia, now recognized as pernicious or Addisonian anemia. Addison was a shy, taciturn man, with but a small private practice and, in his day, almost unknown outside his hospital and medical school. However, within Guy's he was a popular and forceful teacher, devoted to his students and patients. He was best as a bedside instructor. Towards the end, he suffered from fits of depression, retired from the staff in 1860, jumped from the window of his home and died of a fractured skull. Addison's own specimens of diseased suprarenal glands, together with a painting and a model to show the typical Addisonian pigmentation, can be seen today in the Gordon Museum at Guy's Hospital. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in more next videos. With my best wishes. Dr. 8 Vomit.